Slime Nation. Just in here looking at some video footage that I filmed on, I think this was Friday night. Might share some of it in a future vlog. Yeah, take lots of pictures and starting to delve into video a little bit, so we'll see how that turns out. But so far been pretty pleased with the video, and I'll let you check something out. Tell me what you think. Leave me a thumbs up or a comment as always.
You've been so unavailable. Now sadly I know why. Your heart is unobtainable, even though Lord knows you have mine.
Alright, yeah, so that's a little excerpt. I hope you enjoy it. Probably do something more. Got a lot of footage. Probably won't do too much of it, but little bits and pieces. It was a really fun night, and I thought it was pretty entertaining. So I might mix some of that in here in the next few days, but we'll see. Jump into vlog number 15, which is actually called vlog 14 because when I was numbering vlog 14, I called it vlog 15. So this morning I was looking and it jumped from vlog 13 to vlog 15. So hey, lost count. So vlog 15 called vlog 14 coming up. What is that? Yes, here we are, Smithville's Chicken and Barbecue. Oh yeah. About to get me some Smithville's Chicken and Barbecue. Oh yeah. But let's go in and see if they've got the same recipes and if my memory serves me correct on just how tasty this place is. Oh yeah, just like I remember. So got a box of chicken to take home, some hush puppies, and some chicken tender fries and some tea. Let me know. Yum, yum, yum. So Gabby's gonna like this place because Texas Pete is her favorite. We got the Eastern style barbecue sauce. So yeah, I'm looking forward to smashing this. Yum. Papa Slime.
Smash.
All right, now that's a carryout bag. I think I'm smashing this pretty well. Taking a little breather to breathe, and I'll continue. I'll carry out. Well, now that's what you call a clean plate. I'm just joking. My plate's not quite that clean, but it's pretty close. All right, well, the next stop on my adventure today takes me actually back out to Concord Mills. Have an idea for a shirt that I'm going to try to get made, so let's see if they can get it done. All right, well, the design was a success, so I'm going to walk around for just a little bit, and hopefully in about 30 or 45 minutes we'll go back and check her out. I don't know where we're going to walk to, but I'm sure we'll find something here. All right, there it is, a camera with hashtag T, capital G, B, T, G. To God be the glory, keep smiling, Papa Slime Vlogs. Yes. All right, we are on the light rail headed uptown. It's actually been a pretty productive day of video. Vlog, I think it's 12 of them now. It is a lot longer than I'd anticipated. But I had a lot of footage over the weekend and put it all together. It's actually already 10 or 11 minutes long, so we'll see. I think I'll probably cut it and make a part 2, but we'll see. See what happens downtown and what kind of footage we get. All right, we are at our destination. Just gonna walk around for a little bit, and then we'll come back and get on the light rail and ride it back the other way. All right, still just walking around uptown, and it is literally quiet uptown. I think that's how the song goes. It's quiet uptown for real. All right, so real story walking by and somebody says, take my picture. So I guess I'm looking kind of touristy with the camera and glasses and head. I'm looking for adventure. I'm looking for adventure. I'm sitting here snapping some pictures and you get an offer to be in a picture. Gentleman asked me if he's sitting on a bicycle and says, hey, let me get you right. Wouldn't I'll take the pictures and you can get in it. It's like, nah, I'll pass. Been around the rodeo a time or two, so not falling for that one. Alright, I guess I'll head back to the car. Just wanted to get out, walk around uptown for a little bit, and see what time the train comes back. I think it's pretty much perfect time, and I think the train's coming right now. There she comes. So worked out perfectly. I just got here, sat down maybe less than 2 minutes. All right, well, I'm back at the station. Gonna walk to the car, figure out what I'm gonna do about dinner. Got a lot of basketball. I think Bryce has games Monday and Tuesday. Kennedy has games Wednesday, Friday. So a lot of basketball this week. So probably do something around basketball as well. Slimes. This was almost a vlog without the slime, and I think it was back on January 11th. Actually, I know it was January 11th because I saw the metadata tag on my video. So January 11th, the slime and I were in Harris Teeter, and she had a moment. Yes, she had a moment over some candy and a bear as we walked through Harris Teeter. So check it out.
Guys, I want this for Valentine's Day, but the thing is, no one loves me.
Okay, Slimes, I think this is the one. I just played the segment where we were at the Harris Teeter, and Slime picked up, I believe it was this basket. If it was not one like this, it was very similar. So yeah, I think this is the right one. So I can't wait to see the surprise of her face, because I don't think she's going to expect it whatsoever.
Hello.
Reaction video. Happy Valentine's Day, Slime.
Because I'm like very lonely. Hashtag lonely squad.
Not lonely. You didn't even look at it.
Look at my watch.
Nice. Very nice.
Alright.
We'll see what she has to say about Valentine's Day.
Okay. Valentine's Day.
Look at it. You don't even remember, do you?
I do.
What?
I went to Harris Teeter and I was like, I'm sad because some people are gonna be getting this and I'm not gonna get one because I'm hashtag lonely.
But you're not lonely, and you got it, so you're wrong on both accounts.
No, I'm very lonely. Some people have fun on Valentine's Day, but some people, like me, don't.
So yeah, happy Valentine's Day, and peace out.
Valentine, not Valentine.
What did I say?
Valentine.
I said Valentine's. So yeah, happy Valentine's Day.
I said Valentine.
So yeah, happy Valentine's Day, and happy Valentine's Day. Oh, peace out. Okay, so the slime gets in the car. She says, "That wasn't Sam Smith. That was someone else."
I was literally like two seconds ago.
Like 2 seconds ago, I was like, "Wow," but no, he sounds just like it, doesn't he?
I know.
We had a program at church on Friday, and the guy sounded just like.